Model 1988 Ford Transit 120 Motorhome Camper. Body white Camper. Mileage 54,542. Engine 1993 cc. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: takes a few more cranks to start than average. When it does run, it splutters all over the place, and when accelerator is pressed it cuts out. Carburetor needs repairing or replacing. Engine sound good, grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: fully kitted professional motorhome. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.